Our last video, you've seen that we were getting ready to install solar panels ready for this home and their 2 electric vehicles. So today we're finishing up a lot of the electrical, installing the backup batteries. As you can see them right back there, the one's on that dolly. They are Tesla batteries, and we'll see what version they are. I think they're 3.0s, which makes them a more versatile and updated battery. But let's go take a look and see what the electricians are doing, how they're hooking up the backup batteries. Okay, so here's one of the backup batteries that I showed you that was on the dolly system. And then this is the panel that covers it in this box. And you can see the Tesla emblem there, but it's upside down. We'll fix that later. Let's go take a look on the side of the house and see what we got going on. So they're getting ready to run some of the wires over here. Yeah, looks like a 2-inch pipe coming in. They poked through the bottom. They've already stuccoed it in. Looks pretty good. We'll see exactly what they're going to do. I think they're adding a sub panel over here. Let's check out the solar on top of the roof. I'll count for you. 33. 33 solar panels. Okay, so you got the bracket for the battery up. Okay.
We get the rafters.
Okay.
She's leveled out.
And what do you guys do with this hole here?
We're gonna stucco it up.
Stucco it up. That way there's not an air leak.
And then we paint it. It's like it was never there.
Okay, perfect. All right, looks good. And then what are these wires right here? What's this? Is this
Oh, that's for the J box. So once we connect this, once we hang up the battery, we're gonna do another stub up to the roof.
Okay.
To connect the panels to the battery, and the one that just came off from the attic is to connect the battery to the main panel.
Okay, perfect. All right, sounds good.
So yeah, this ain't gonna be here.
All right.
This is how we left it from the first day.
And then we'll show you
the battery up right now, so you'll be able to
okay, perfect. I'll videotape that, and then so they're going to hang the battery right now, so we can see that process, and then from there we will look at the complete install and see what it looks like. So this Tesla here, the silver one, will have this backup battery. So the dolly has a nice crank on it, so they can just crank that up, get a little bit higher, so it just hooks right onto the brackets.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna have to.
How heavy is the battery?
250 pounds.
Really, 250 pounds? Wow. All right.
You can probably do it. We just want to drop it, and then the dolly is heavy.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah, better to be safe than sorry.
I said we just put on blocks, dude. Got the measure tape right there, and then it's gonna 9 inches under this. So we're trying to.
You can kind of see right in there the little hooks that they go on.
I was none of that.
All right, they got it up without dropping it. Good job. Okay, as you can see, the solar panels are on top of the roof. They got this Tesla battery that's right over here. There's one battery there that's hooked up. And then I got another battery on the other side of the house. Let's take a look at this one and then we'll go look at all the other electrical work that was done, along with the battery hookup. Okay, so we're here on the side of the house, and we're looking at obviously it's a Tesla Powerwall, and if you look at the specs here, this one here says it is 13.5 kilowatt. And so if you look right there, 13.5 kilowatt hours of power. So I'm not quite sure how all that actually works, but there's an on-off disconnect switch along with power coming to it from the solar panels. I'm pretty sure that's probably power coming to it since it goes up through the roof. And then this one is power going back over to the electrical panel itself. Let's go take a look at the other electrical panel and power wall. Here's the other battery without the cover on, and we'll get a picture of it with the panel on. Here's all of our electrical hookups. We got a nice box down here running all of our heavy-duty wires. And we got two other junction boxes. What are these actually going to feed? This is a sub panel here.
Yeah, that's your.
For the chargers, or
I believe the 15s are the chargers, and then those on the right were to make space in your panel for your solar breakers. So those are loads that we'll label them.
Okay, but the only problem with this is that if you read the instruction book, it says it's got to be a double 60 amp breaker for those.
For it's right here. That's in your main panel.
That's for the. What's that for? Those are for the cars?
Those are for the solar right there.
Oh, the solar panels. What about the cars?
The cars are the 215s. It should be.
Okay, but all right, just so that ties into the solar panels, but also ties into the batteries. Right. Okay. All right, and then you got your ground rod that's going to come down and hook up down there.
Yeah, we're going to hook it. I don't think we're going to hook it up today. We'll probably just pull it up.
Okay.
I let my manager know we will need another day, so that way we can clean all the pipe, get your inspection ready.
Okay, no problem. All right, and these other two panels, these are the disconnects for what, each battery?
Yes. This is. Oh, we haven't fed them yet. But when we do, we can do this disconnect to this one right here.
Okay.
And we'll do this one to the back one.
For the back one over there. Okay, perfect. All right, sounds good. All right, thank you.
Nice.